Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, to the Board of Judges. Good evening, ma'am, sir, and of course, to our beloved Governor. Good evening. I am standing before a mass of people with their active mind and beating heart. I am aware that they need words that are instilling to both heart and mind. As a lineage of His Holiness, I pray that every dogma my mouth will utter.
Ano yan?
Let us let our contestant finish first, guys. Okay. As a lineage of His Holiness, I pray that every dogma my mouth will utter are products of mutual consent of my mind and in my heart. Well, for me, yes, I do believe. Because how would it be if you don't examine things? Just like in school, there would be laboratories for us to know what to do.
Ano na yan?
Once again, guys, yes, let's let our candidate finish first. Okay, you can applaud after. So before I turn over this microphone, I believe those words of conviction. Grant me this dream of mine to reign as Magdiala Magayon 2009. Because tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen, I will make others realize that there are no dreams can be fulfilled if we strongly believe in God's will. That will be all. Good evening. Thank you.